Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Day of Victims of Acts of Violence Based on Religion. International Day commemorating the victims of acts of violence based on religion or belief takes place on 22nd August. It is a United Nations-sponsored annual awareness day that was first introduced in 2019. The day is observed as part of the UN's efforts to support human rights related to freedom of religion or belief. The day recognizes the importance of providing victims of acts of violence based on religion or belief with appropriate support and assistance in accordance with applicable law. It strongly deplored all acts of violence against persons on the basis of their religion or belief, as well as any such acts directed against their homes, properties, or places of worship, etc., as well as all attacks on and in religious places, sites, and shrines that are in violation of international law. Notably, freedom of religion or belief, freedom of opinion and expression, the right to peaceful assembly, and the right to freedom of association are interdependent, interrelated, and mutually reinforcing. They are enshrined in Articles 18, 19, and 20 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Upholding these rights plays an important role in the fight against all forms of intolerance and of discrimination based on religion or belief. Furthermore, the exercise of the right to freedom of opinion and expression and full respect for the freedom to seek, receive, and impart information can play a positive role in strengthening democracy and combating religious intolerance.